Hello children, this is Krupa Lakhani. Today you will learn how does a computer work. A computer cannot work on its own. We need to enter letters, numbers, pictures and instructions into the computer to make it work. These are called data. Different parts of a computer do different tasks. A computer works in 3 basic steps: input, process, output. I'll give you one example of input, process and output. Let us understand these steps by taking an example of our body. When a teacher asks us a question, we hear with our ears and see it with our eyes. The eyes and ears are the input units. Our brain stores everything that a teacher says. Then it thinks of an answer and orders us to speak. In this way, the brain works like a processing unit. When we answer with our mouth, it works like an output unit. What is input? The data and instructions that we enter into a computer are called input. We input data using a keyboard and mouse. Working on the data is called processing. The CPU works on the data and does all the thinking and calculations. So the CPU is the brain of a computer. Output means the final result. When the CPU finishes processing the data, the output is displayed on the monitor screen. Monitor is the most common output device. Let us understand the working of a computer with an example. The data and instructions together are the input. Here 2 and 5 are the data and plus operator is the instructions. Now the CPU will work on the data according to the instructions, that is, it will add the numbers 2 and 5. 7 is the correct result or output of the sum 2 plus 5 equals 7 that will be displayed in your output device. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed learning about input, process and output. Keep learning, keep growing.